Alright, what's up YouTube? I wanted to show you guys the bike, if you can even hear me. I suspect it's a little windy today. Anyway, the bike is now running a brushless setup with 16 cells of lithium power. Makes about 4,000 watts. I absolutely love running it. And I wanted to show you guys how the lap system works on RaceRender. So we're going to go turn some laps at the park and see what kind of lap times we get. Yesterday, I was lapping at about 17.5, but I'm hoping I get faster today. So, check it out. We'll be there soon. Okay, welcome to the track at Dan Kinney. It's a real simple track, and it's just a figure eight. And I try to cross right at this skid mark to keep the lap consistent. And then we're going to turn on RaceRender and let it work its magic.